Welcome to Foxtecc. If your iPad screen is too dark or completely black, there are a few different things that could be causing it. It might just be a brightness setting, or it could be a display filter that's affecting how the screen looks. Let's go through all the possible fixes so you can get your screen back to normal. First, check the most obvious setting, brightness. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open Control Center, then adjust the brightness slider. If it's set too low, increasing it should immediately brighten the display. But if the screen still looks dim, there are a few other settings to check. One of those is auto brightness. Open settings, then tap on accessibility, display, and text size, and look for auto brightness. If it's turned on, your iPad automatically adjusts brightness based on the surrounding light. Sometimes this makes the screen too dark, so try turning it off and manually adjusting the brightness again. Another thing to check is the low light filter. This is an accessibility setting that can make the screen appear extra dim, even if brightness is set to max. To check this, triple tap the screen with 3 fingers, tap Choose Filter, and see if low light is enabled. If it is, switch to none, and your screen should return to normal. If you're dealing with a dark interface across all your apps, you might have dark mode enabled. To turn this off, go to Settings, then Display and Brightness, and select Light Mode. This won't change the brightness itself, but if you prefer a lighter background, switching this off will help. If your screen is still dark and unresponsive, try a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release volume down. Then press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. This can help if the screen isn't responding due to a software issue. And if nothing else works, connect your iPad to a charger or a computer and see if the screen turns on. If your battery is completely drained or the device has frozen, this might help bring it back to life. That's how you can fix a dark screen on an iPad. Let me know in the comments if any of these solutions worked for you. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPad and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and see you later.